In order for the airbag to inflate correctly and provide optimal protection, it is essential to wear equipment compatible with the use of the airbag. In order to determine if your airbag can be worn underneath a motorcycle jacket, under a suit, or with your motorcycle accessories, such as a backpack, heated vest, or back protector, certain precautions must be taken. Let's start with the jackets. To find out if you can wear your airbag under your favorite motorcycle jacket, refer to the user manual of your product to find out if your airbag is equipped with an essential module or a performance module. As a reminder, the essential module covers the back, neck, abdomen, and chest, and the performance module covers the back, neck, shoulders, chest, and ribs. Let's take a look at the case of an airbag equipped with the essential module. Start by measuring the width of the jacket under the armpits by stretching the jacket well. Measure your chest circumference with the equipment that will be worn during product use, such as a sweater, cooling vest, or additional protection. Multiply the measurement of the width of the jacket under the armpits by 2, then subtract the chest measurement from the result obtained in the previous step. If the total is less than 13, your jacket is not compatible. If the total is greater than or equal to 13, your jacket is compatible. Consider the case of an airbag with the performance module. Measure the width of the jacket under the armpits by stretching it well. Next, measure the circumference of your chest using the equipment you will wear while using the product. Pulls, refreshing vests, or additional protections, for example. Multiply the width of the jacket under the armpits by 2. Subtract the chest measurement from the result obtained in the previous step. If the total is less than or equal to 13, your jacket is not compatible. If total is bum 20, jacket is compatible. If total is between 13 and 20, measure jacket width at waist. Always stretch jacket well to ensure accurate measurement. Measure your waist size with the equipment that will be worn during product use, then multiply the measurement of the jacket width at the waist by 2. Subtract your waist measurement from the result obtained in the previous step. If the total is less than 18, your jacket is not compatible. If total is dom 18, your jacket is compatible. Now let's examine the case of combinations. You can wear an airbag only under the suits that have been tested by In&motion. To find out if your combination is compatible with the airbag port, please refer to the help section of the website. Caution: wearing the airbag under an unsuitable suit may cause system malfunction and injuries in case of an incident. Let's see together a little technique to properly put on your suit over your airbag. Place the combination on a flat surface. Open it, then install the open airbag inside. Hold the combination and the airbag together without releasing both elements. Wear jumpsuit, then pass both arms simultaneously to put it on shoulders. Finally, let's consider case of your motorcycle accessories. The airbag system can be worn with a backpack. If the backpack does not exceed 8 kilos, if the chest and abdominal straps are not attached, and if pulling the backpack straps there is a distance of 10 cm between them and the front of the shoulder. A cooling vest can be worn under the airbag vest only, and provided that you wear a compatible motorcycle jacket. This indicates that the chest measurement is to be taken using the cooling vest. Additionally, soft chest protectors can be worn in conjunction with the airbag if a compatible motorcycle jacket is worn. This means that the chest measurement should always be taken with the protections on. Attention! The airbag system is not compatible with wearing a heated electronic vest, cervical collar or neck brace, rigid stone guard type protection, or an additional back protector. Do you have any doubt or question? For more details, refer to the user manual of your product or the help section of the website.